Hello to YouTube, this is my Dell Inspiron 1300 laptop. It's got two missing keys right here, but they still work if you press on them, and it's not one of the main keys. It's just like Alt and like, I don't know, something else. I'm not sure what it is, a hotkey for something. But it's got Ubuntu on it, and Windows just in case. It dual boots. But this is my version of Ubuntu. I have modded the operating system to my likings, basically. So here's a boot up of it. Basically going to show you the Emerald theme manager, just a docking program, a few cool things. It's pretty neat. But this is Ubuntu booting up. Boots up very fast and is loaded too. Let me turn up the monitor brightness. There we go. So hopefully you can see that. And it could be better. Oh well, you're gonna have to bear with it for now. It's just a simple video. Type in my password. Has a nice startup noise. Alright. And here is Ubuntu. You got your applications up here, your place is up here, so basically your documents, music, pictures, my computer, your hard drive, the network, and then up here there's something called system, and this is all your preferences right here. So yeah, there you go. Now the cool thing is I installed this docking program, which is not AWN. You're gonna have to guess and comment. I'm sure you guys will know. But it's the best docking program. I don't really like AWN. But, yeah, it reminds me of Mac OS in a way. So if I right click and do change desktop background, there is a cool thing you can do called visual effects. I'm going to turn them on. I always keep them off because it makes your computer a little bit slower. But here we go. Check this out. You have 4 desktops. So if this desktop gets crowded with a lot of stuff, you can switch between desktops with this program. Now I'm going to go to Compiz, Config Settings Manager, and I'm going to go to something that says Desktop Cube. I'm going to enable it and the desktop rotate. Now you can see that the desktop background immediately changed. And the cool thing is, look at the windows, they wobble when you move them around. So, it's very graphical. Now you can kind of see the outline of a cube shape in the background. When you do Control-Alt-Click, it'll let you rotate the whole entire desktop like that. So basically, if I want to open up a million things on this, like we'll open up FileZilla and the calculator, it'll be, right here. So, here it is. Then you can rotate it to a different desktop. And then if you want to go back to it, you can rotate back. And this is another thing that's kind of interesting. You can grab it and put it halfway onto another desktop, like if I want to drag it over here, and then rotate it. As you can see, there's half of it right there. But anyhow, there it is. I like Linux because you got your, terminal. I love using the terminal for everything. You can get some pretty cool games. My favorite is Assault Cube so far. And another thing is the Ubuntu Software Center. Every program for Linux or Ubuntu is free. Now as you can see in this, you have different departments right here of different, sorry, I have this set to automatic battery adjustment for power save mode. But anyways, you have different departments, so whether or not you want to get an application for programming, universal access, system programs, sound and video graphics, games, all that crap, science and engineering even. Let's go to graphics. You click on that. It'll give you another thing where you can get stuff like Photoshop or just a simple drawing program or painting and editing. But here's all your programs. If you want to install it, you just click that. and then install. That's all you gotta do. And install is right there. I'm highlighting it. So this is a pretty good operating system. You got a very wide variety of everything. You can do everything that Windows can. You can run Windows programs, so you can keep your games with this program called Wine. For instance, I'll use Notepad for Windows because I have that installed. Just give it a moment. I think actually I have Wine turned off. I have to open it. Nope, never mind, it's turned on. Okay, so we're waiting for Wine to load. Takes a little while to boot Wine up. Basically, it's running Windows, but there, that is the Windows Notepad right there. So, you can type in it. It is the Microsoft Notepad, so you can run Windows programs in it. I'm gonna go and shut it off, and to do that, just do that. And then it will shut down. And there you go. I don't really care for Dells all that much, but it's a laptop and it does really good with Linux. So there you go.